Hi everyone, welcome to TechHawk. In this video, I am going to show you how to model 3D elements just like this, just for practicing. So in this video, we are going to use three features: Extruded Boss, Extruded Cut and Circular sketch pattern to draw this 3D element. So let's do this. First of all, create a new part file, and in the front plane click right button and then sketch, and from this sketch take circle, click here as a center and click another point. Then from smart dimension enter 100. Our units are in millimeter, and then take again this circle command, and from the same center we are going to create another circle. Then from smart dimension we are going to input the diameter as 92 millimeter. Okay, we are going to create a new circle which will be in vertical direction. The center will be in vertical direction. Click here, click any point, then press smart dimension, and from 0 point and this center point just enter 9 millimeter, and then the diameter of the new circle will be 82. You see, this coincides with the previous outer circle. Again we will take circle, and we use the center point just we have drawn. So click here, and from smart dimension we are going to take the dimension as 74. Look, this coincides the inner circle. So we have total 4 circles, and each two coincides with each other. Now we exit sketch, and from Extruded Boss, from features we click Extruded Boss here, and we clear the selections here. From this sketch contours we select the contours we want to extrude here, also this one, and we input here 20 millimeter. Okay, everything is the same. Click OK. Okay. After doing this, we take front plane here and click sketch. Then we will make it normal view, and again we take another circle. We are going to make some hole inside this. So at the midpoint we take this circle, from smart dimension we input the 10, and the diameter of this circle will be also 10, not 10, 12. Okay. So now again we extrude boss this circle, but this time not only one direction, we are going to extrude it another direction. So from the left side click direction 2 and make this as 102, not 102, 52. Seems okay to me. Also this one 52. Yes. So click OK. Now we will make a hole here. So this surface we are taking sketch and normal view. Take another circle with the same center. From smart dimension we make it 10. Exit sketch. So now we use Extruded Cut. So from features, click Extruded Cut. We want through all. That means it will cut until the next point. So click OK. So we have made a hole here. Now what we do is to make a circular pattern by this hole. So to make this, from here you see linear pattern. In the below you will find an arrow. Click this arrow and then circular pattern. So from features you have to select. Here only cut extrude has been selected. So you have also make sure we are selecting Boss Extrude 2. Then from this direction we are selecting the outer circle, and also we are going to make 3 of these elements but not in 15 degree. So we are going to make it 60. Yeah, it seems okay for me. We are selecting 2 features here, Boss Extrude and Cut Extrude. Make the angle 60 degree, direction as the outer circle, and total elements 3. Click OK. This face, there is no hole, so we are going to sketch it again. Just select this circle, make convert entities, and again from Extruded Cut we will cut it through all. Click OK. So now everything is okay here. So I think this will be helpful for beginners who are going to learn different features here. So I have shown here 3 features: Extruded Boss, Extruded Cut and Circular Sketch Pattern. Now I am going to add some color here. Like this one. Okay. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for being with us.